In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So first of all, open up your Phantom Wallet, and then from here you need to select the crypto that you want to transfer. So go ahead and select it. You can also click on the search icon at the top right to fill it in, but I'm just going with Bitcoin, so I'm going to select Bitcoin in here. And once I do that, I will see this option Receive. So then you need to click on Receive, and then you will have your wallet address popping up. So I'm just going to copy this to my clipboard, and now I'm going to Binance to paste this in. Once you are in your Binance app, go ahead and click on the Assets tab all the way at the bottom right, and here you will find this option saying Send. So let's go ahead and click on this, and now we need to select the withdrawal method. And we are going to select the on-chain withdrawal method because we're transferring to another wallet, and that is Phantom Wallet. So now you need to select the asset that you're transferring, so go ahead and select your crypto that you want to transfer. I'm doing it with Bitcoin, so I select BTC, and in here I need to fill in the address from Phantom Wallet. So let's go ahead and click on Paste. And now we need to select the network as well. And I'm always going with the manual one. So I'm just going to select the Bitcoin network from here. And now you need to fill in the amount that you want to transfer. So go ahead and fill something in. And after you do that, you need to click on withdraw. But be aware that there are withdrawal minimums. So you need to withdraw a minimal amount of the cryptocurrency that you selected. And this depends on the crypto, what the withdrawal limit will be. So after you've filled in your amount and you're eligible to transfer, go ahead and click on withdraw at the bottom right, and then click on confirm. And then you will be able to transfer crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.